Hi, to create a new Facebook Messenger channel, click on the channel section on your left bar of your dashboard, then click on Messenger. Now, click on Login and you will be redirected to Facebook. Log in into your Facebook account with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to select your Facebook page from the drop-down menu inside Landbot. Choose a name for your Facebook channel and click on Confirm. Here it is. We created our Facebook Messenger channel. Here you can see the basic information like the creation date, the channel's name, the linked bot, and the number of chats. Click on the channel again. You'll see that under Link Bot, you can already connect a Messenger bot. I'm selecting Bot Testing, a bot that was automatically created together with the channel. If you go back to the dashboard, you can go and see how it looks from the inside. It's just a basic template created for you to test the integration straight away. Now, let's go to my Facebook page and try out the template bot. Click on View as Visitor and then on Send a Message to open the chat. Type anything to start the flow and start chatting with the bot. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful and I will see you in the next one.